D1-1206 AM, a member of the kapisanan ng mga broadcaster ng Pilipinas. Good evening. We now conclude another day of broadcasting activities. You have been listening to the 1-1206 AM, a commercial broadcast station owned and operated by the Intercontinental Broadcasting Corporation as authorized by the National Telecommunications Commission. The 1 AM operates from 5 AM to 11 PM at 1206 kilohertz with a transmission power of 10,000 watts. Our transmitter is situated in Marulas, Valenzuela, and our studio is located at the IBC compound, Capitol Hills Drive, corner Zuzuaregi Street, Capitol Hills, Diliman, Quezon City. The 1-1206 AM radio is maintained and operated by the following personnel, duly licensed by the National Telecommunications Commission. Jonard B. Singgit, ECE license number 51677. Froilan S. Heterosa, ECE license number 81737. Eduardo D. Dahilig Jr., NTC license number 06-1PNCR-23265. Mark Joseph V. Basister, NTC license number 16-1PNCR-26834. The 1-1206 AM is now signing off. Ama naming nasa langit, nagpapasalamat kami sa iyong mapagbiyayang grasya sa aming DWAN radio station. Nagpapasalamat kami sa pagbibigay ninyo ng pagkakataon na magbahagi ng musika at balita para sa bayan. Basbasan mo ang mga Pilipinong nakikinig. Punuin mo ang kanilang puso ng kapayapaan, karunungan, at ligaya. Gabayan mo kami na maging instrumento ng katotohanan at pag-ibig. Pagbuklorin mo ang aming bansa sa kapangyarihan ng iyong salita at himig. Hinihiling namin ito sa matamis na pangalan ni Jesus. Amen.
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas. Sayang mag-ibig, ito sa sigat